What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of square root of x over x squared plus 1. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write square root as exponent 1 over 2. And then I'm gonna show you, u to the power of n, when u is a function of x, when you find out the derivative is gonna be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. N times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. So we do exactly the same thing here. It's going to be, when you want to find out derivative of this one, it's going to be 1 over 2 times x over x squared plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 times x over x squared plus 1 prime. Now let's find out derivative of x over x squared plus 1. It's going to be derivative of x, which is 1, times x squared plus 1, minus x times derivative of denominator. We have x squared plus 1, the derivative is going to be 2x, divided by x squared plus 1 to the power of 2. So that's going to be x squared plus 1 minus 2x squared over x squared plus 1 to the power of 2. So we're going to have 1 minus x squared divided by x squared plus 1 to the power of 2. Now we stop it there. We have 1 over 2 times x over x squared plus 1 to the power of negative 1 over 2 times 1 minus x squared divided by x squared plus 1 to the power of 2. Now what we can do, here we have the exponent is negative. We can make it positive. We just flip the numerator and denominator. It's going to be square root of x squared plus 1 divided by square root of x times 1 minus x squared divided by x squared plus 1 to the power of 2. So that's going to be 1 minus x squared divided by 2 root x times x squared plus 1, 2 minus 1 half, which is going to be 3 over 2. That's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need practice questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.